Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, transparenttradesolutions.com on a Friday. This is the 27th of February. Again, lots of kind of mixed bag with AI stocks getting hit again, Nvidia dragging down the whole NASDAQ, but not as much as you would think. Let's get right into the charts. Um, so what I mean by that is if you look at the NASDAQ futures, even with everything going on below the surface, a lot of these software stocks getting hit again. Nvidia, obviously, NASDAQ is not near the lows here, right? 24,670. That's actually the recent low. We're kind of just meandering about here, which is very interesting. So again, you've got stocks like Dell up 20%, Netflix up huge in the Nasdaq. So you've got all kinds of mixed kind of signals. Overall, the software stocks are down again, the usual suspects. But I think overall, Nvidia is probably what's keeping the Nasdaq down today, but not again. Again, you take a step back and just kind of look at where the indexes are. Similarly, the S&P, uh, basically hasn't even touched the 6,800 level, and you can see it's generally just kind of just chopping around in here in the lower extremity of the trading range. Whether that changes next week, if we go into Iran and all that, we'll have to see. Pretty much everything else just again similarly, you can see the Russell. I guess the theme today is just range bound, really. Notable rates dropping below 4%. That was interesting because we had PPI numbers that were higher than expected, and but this is basically a safety. I think this is folks jumping into treasuries as a safe haven for what's going on with the AI trade. Dollar not really doing much today. Kind of just it looks like it's got some resistance at 98, but nothing to speak of there. And as you might imagine, gold is again one of these kind of safety trades, also up today, but not again hasn't broken out yet. So we'll see if the something happens over the weekend with the Iran. I think that's the geopolitical stuff here going on. Um, so similarly with silver trying to break out, very, very kind of quiet, slowly grinding higher. Um, the big mover today has been platinum, actually, somewhat. It's been chopping around as well. Obviously, the play Iran is oil trying to move higher. All the energy stocks are up in anticipation of that. We'll see. Again, I think if there's no military action and they come to some kind of resolution where Iran gets no nukes and whatever, it doesn't matter. It's about the market perception. I think oil plummets right back down to 60, but obviously it's gonna be interesting to see what happens over the weekend. And then that gas just kind of meandering here, scraping the bottom as well. We haven't actually, again, I wrote about this over the weekend. We got wheat approaching $6 a bushel. This is also going to be something worth watching. Maybe again another one of these false breakouts, but if it bases around here, pulls back, it already kind of did that. But if it starts basing around 6, this could be a major breakout happening. Still TBD to be determined. In any event, we'll see. Again, very mixed picture below the surface. You've got, huge disparity. I mean, the divergence between some stocks is crazy. I mean, some stocks are down a lot. Some stocks are up. The defensive stocks are up today. You got oil, energy shares. So the insurers are up, pharma, and then on the other hand, you got banks getting hammered again. So very interesting situation. What that, I guess, means is just, again, if you can't get all the mega caps to rally, especially NVIDIA, you're probably going to have the same. But if NVIDIA rallies, then you got the indexes going up again. So that's kind of why you're seeing all this chop everywhere. In any event, we'll see what happens over the weekend. Going to be an interesting, obviously, start of the month and all the developments going on, weighing on the markets right now. So we'll see. Nevertheless, opportunities are still, uh, no question, there's going to still be opportunities in again, I think oil is going to be the play this weekend. If there is some military action, we probably get a spike up to 70 in oil, but obviously we don't know if that's going to happen. And conversely, if there's some negotiations that work out, don't chase oil pretty much at this point because anything can happen. Okay. All right. Have a great weekend. Again, subscribe to the newsletter. I'm going to have a class coming up soon, so look out for that. Have a great weekend.